Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, thanks to Sir Yasin for giving me this opportunity to speak in front of you. I am Sadia and today is the certification day of soft skill enhancement course. I want to share my time experience to all of you. Firstly, I'll give a brief intro about this course and then share my time experience. In this course, we learn different skills like English speaking skills, English writing skills, presentational skills, confidence building skills, and emotional intelligence. I joined this course to improve my skills, and Alhamdulillah, after the successful completion of this course, I can write English in a better way. I can speak fluently in front of you. My presentation style changed, my confidence level improved, and I become emotionally intelligent. Now I can use my emotion for my success. Moreover, if I talk about my time experience, it was really a good experience. Here we learned a lot and we enjoyed a lot. All my fellows, my friends were free to express their feelings, their ideas without any discrimination. This course brought a positive change in me, my personality, and I became able for self-analysis. All this credit goes to my beloved trainer, Sir Yasin Shakir. Every person should join this course because soft skills are very important to live a happy life, and without soft skills, life gives a hard time. I would like to invite all of you people who want to change their personality, who want to play their role for the betterment of society. They should join this course. So be the best version of you. In the end, I want to thanks to all of you. Thank you so much people for listening me, for supporting me. Keep smile, stay blessed.